Getting into some of the metal repairs on this. 81 Junior 50 Suzuki restoration. Holes in the exhaust expansion chamber as well as broken shielding mounts. Some broken welds on the bar mounts nuts that hold them into the triple trees. Now that we've got everything cleaned up, we will be starting to tear into this motor. After 40 years of use and abuse, it needs new gaskets, top end, clutch and all bearings replaced. Like and follow to keep up with the progress as we get closer to finishing this project.